Hey traders, want to pick the best Python library for algorithmic trading? Today we're diving into Pyalgotrade, Zipline, and Backtrader, three powerful tools for backtesting and trading. Let's break them down and compare the right fit for you. First, Pyalgotrade. It's a lightweight open source library built for simplicity, perfect for beginners. It supports backtesting with CSV files and live trading, especially for crypto via Bitstamp. It's got solid documentation but lacks advanced features like complex order types or optimization tools. If you're starting out or trading crypto, this is a great pick. Next, we have Zipline, developed by Quantopian. It's a robust, event-driven library designed for backtesting and research with strong support for US equities and minute-level data. It integrates with pandas and offers performance metrics, but live trading setup is tricky and it's less maintained since Quantopian shut down in 2020. Finally, we have Backtrader. This feature-rich open-source framework shines in flexibility, supporting multiple data feeds like Panda data frames and live broker data. It's got built-in indicators, optimization tools, and live trading with brokers like Interactive Brokers. Its active community and detailed docs make it ideal for complex strategies. So, how do they stack up? Pyalgotrade is simplest, great for beginners or crypto traders, but lacks advanced features. Zipline's research focus and data integration suit equity traders, though live trading is a hassle. Backtrader's versatility, broker support, and optimization tools make it the go-to for advanced traders, despite less comprehensive docs than Zipline. For quick backtesting, Pyalgotrade is fastest. For research, Zipline's your pick, and for live trading and complex strategies, Backtrader wins. Here's a quick comparison chart. For ease of use, Pyalgotrade is first, then Backtrader, then Zipline. When it comes to community, Backtrader has the most active community, Pyalgotrade is moderate, and Zipline is declining. Pyalgotrade is best for beginners who are into crypto, and Zipline is for research, while Backtrader is for complex strategies and live trading. That's it guys, choose Pyalgotrade for simplicity, Zipline for research, or Backtrader for power and flexibility. Like and subscribe for more trading tips, and I'll see you in the next one.